Okay, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Chairman, anyway, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Akop. Kasi, General Wilkins, eto, last warning ko sa iyo, ha? Ano nangyari? You're lying. Oh, gusto mo i-cite ko na? Ano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last. Kanina nang tinatanong kita, akala mo hindi kita babalikan? Now you admit that is all about your command responsibility. Well, in fact, magtuturuan na, aserto, dinideny mo. Of course, your words against the words of aserto. Now, eto si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na nakinausap ko siya. Basta ang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie! Just a few minutes ago. Sa harap ko. Sinabi mo na delegated, that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman Akop, inamin mo. Question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyahan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Pinagbigyan na kita. Yun pa ang sagot mo?
There is a motion to cite in contempt General Wilkins Villanueva for violating Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer relevant questions from the committee. This was duly seconded. And do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The serving of the detention of General Wilkins Villanueva as a result of the contempt ordered by this committee will be implemented when we resume the Quadcom hearing in January of 2025. So now to continue.
Mr. Chairman, just for clarification, I will not object to the amendments to the motion by this representation. But when you say resumption of the Quadcom, the hearing, or the resumption of session?
The resumption of the next scheduled Quadcom hearing, which we will determine before the opening of or the resumption of our session in on January 12th.
I think, Mr. Chairman, it's just, anyway, it's a compromise, no? What we have done is a compromise, but I think it's mas maganda pa po kasing schedule for the next hearing of Quadcom will be set pa upon resumption. I think upon resumption, Mr. Chairman.
When you mean
January 13, because the resumption of Congress is January 13.
Congress will go on break on December 19, and we will resume on January 13, 2025. So the detention of General Villanueva will take effect on January 13. Is that
yes, Mr. Chairman, to have a specific date, and siguro naman mahaba na yung bakasyon na yun.
Okay. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. So, Comsec, please take note of the motions, amended motion that was adopted by the committee.